welcome back to my channel and to another what I eat in a day video. I have been living for these videos and living for this time of year. I absolutely love it. I know I always mention, but I get so excited with autumn winter dining that I end up filming these much more frequently because I'm just so much more inspired and my appetite is definitely better over the colder months. But anyway, hello, hope you're all doing okay. I don't know what we're having today. I have a couple of ideas. If you saw the last what I eat in a day that I did, I made some yogurt and flour flatbreads which were delicious. I have a couple of those left, so I might have like a fish finger wrap or a tuna wrap or something like that, just again to eat them, and also they were delicious. And I'm thinking tonight of something quite cozy and comforting. I'm thinking we're going to have sausages with caramelised onion gravy and mash and veggies, Yorkshire pudding, all of that good stuff. So I'm thinking that's what we're going to have tonight because I think that everyone will really enjoy that. It's really easy because we'll all eat the same thing, which is really handy. So yeah, hopefully that will be the plan. I'm about to start work and then I'll go down at my first lunch. I'm about to go downstairs, make a coffee. I'm not hungry, so I'm very unlikely to have breakfast today. But, you know, I don't advocate for you guys skipping on breakfast. So definitely do make sure you have breakfast if you're hungry in the morning. I've woken up not that hungry today. Probably owing to the fact that I had a massive slice of cake before I went to sleep last night. But yeah, anyway, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to leave a comment. I love that, you guys know. This top, by the way, I will link it down below. It's from New Look, it's a new one. It's got this lattice sleeve, which I really like, and it's kind of like this maroon purple and dusky pink, and I really like it. I have it on with my Topshop. I think these are mom jeans. I've had them for about 7 or 8 years, and I still love them. I've just styled my hair so it will not be this tidy and bouncy later, I can assure you. And very simple makeup today. And yeah, nothing to write home about, just very simple. And my nails are one from Nails Inc. And they're this beautiful kind of ruby red maroon with a bit of shimmer. And yeah, I really like these, ideal for the season. Anyway, yeah, as I said, let's go down, get a coffee because I am needing a coffee, and we'll get on with a delicious day of food. Okay, so it's now time for lunch, and as I mentioned yesterday, I made these yogurt and flour flatbreads, and they are so delicious and so convenient for like a quick lunch. Like, look how soft and squishy they are. They are perfect. So I'm gonna have one of these and I'm gonna do a fish finger wrap. If I want more, I'll have more, but honestly I feel like that's fine for me. But again, you know, feel free to have 2 or whatever bread you're having. I'm also gonna have the jumbo cod fish fingers. I am gonna have 2 of these because these are quite big, so I feel like it's gonna be a nice chunky wrap. I'm gonna pop them in the air fryer with some salt and pepper, and then we'll look at some more accompaniments. When it comes to my fish finger butties, I am such a basic bitch. The most exciting thing about this is the bread. I'm also gonna have some ketchup, mayo, and a Dairy cheese cheap slice. If I didn't have this, I would go for like a regular cheddar, which I do have, but there's something so nostalgic and comforting about having a slice like this. So yeah, I'm also going to heat the bread ever so slightly in the air fryer just to warm it up a little bit. But those fish fingers are going to take at least another 13-14 minutes. So I'm going to come back when I'm ready to kind of put it all together, but it'll be such a yummy lunch. I can't wait. Okay, so it's now time to turn my attention to dinner, and as I mentioned, we're going to be having Cumberland sausages. These are the Sainsbury's Cumberland sausages, so I don't know how much they are in point value, but I'll get my app out in a moment and have a check. I'm also going to do some caramelised honey carrots, which I'm very excited about. Just going to marinate these with garlic, chilli honey, and a bit of olive oil. I'm going to fry off some onion because in my opinion you cannot have sausages and gravy without onion. And speaking of gravy, I've been a bit lazy and I bought a ready-made one, and this is just the Sainsbury's onion gravy, and this is a green vegetable medley that I got from M&S a couple of days ago that I'm going to eat. Andy's also going to pick up some crusty bread. I think we might have a bit of mash as well, and he's also picking up some Yorkshire puddings. So yeah, I'm just going to get started, get these veggies peeled, and then we will get on to putting the sausages in the oven and making the mash. Okay, so my veggies are cut, and I'm now just going to check for those of you that are pointing and you want a point value for these Cumberlands. So you can get low fat sausages, by the way, guys. Like, I used to have reduced fat all the time and I used to really enjoy them. At the moment, obviously, that's not something that I'm overly concerned with. But for 2 sausages, it's 7 points if you grill them. I'm likely to have 3, maybe. So let's have a look if I was to have 3. And by the way, that calorie is 222 calories, so hardly anything. If you were to have 3, it goes to 334, which I think for a main component of a meal, that's absolutely fine, but it would cost you 11 points on WW. So just be aware of calorie value versus point value. Dinner was really good, and now we're going to end the night with something sweet. So Andy nipped to the supermarket and picked up one of these chunky and loaded cookies. I've had this one before. This is the chocolate and hazelnut, and it is honestly so good. I won't have all of this. I'll most likely have a third of it if I'm completely honest, but I also have a cup of tea. And I'm going to call it a night here. After that, I probably won't have anything if I am honest. But anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the description box for links and all of that good stuff, nail polish, top, etc. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.